Good morning. Thank you for watching the replay. I feel like this is... Can I just mom you for a second? Sorry. It's fine. Everything is fine. I just need to clean this for a second. Okay. Sorry I mommed you. Okay. So, thank you for watching the replay. I appreciate you. Sorry about the licking. But it was really fuzzy. Did you see it? Okay. When someone says, hey, I'm going to take requests, tell me what you want to learn. And someone else says, can you do a smoky eye? Literally a little puke comes up in my mouth because smoky eye is not my thing. I freaking nailed it. I watched some videos on how to do it and I did it, right? I'm not a smoky eye person. I'm not a bold eye person. I'm not an any of the things kind of person, right? But I did it. And I'm going to show you how to do it easy peasy, like easy peasy. Yeah, I know. I licked the screen. I had to watch the camera. I'm really sorry. That's the kind of mom I am. But my stomach hurts even trying to recreate this look over here, but it was super easy. Okay. I watched some videos on easy things. You know what I mean? Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. I literally, if people come to me and they're like, hey, I'm thinking about doing direct sales. You know, is it easy? Can I make money real quick? I'm like, no, it's not easy. Good morning, morning. It's not easy. It's not easy at all. It takes a whole lot of consistency. It takes a whole lot of transparency and authenticity of who you are. That's not easy to show the world. And coming from a background of like zero makeup, I was wearing transparent powder as foundation because, well, no one told me. Yeah. I don't know. So I'm going to show it to you. We're not going to die. It's going to be okay. I did notice that I forgot to pop my highlighter in this area right here on this eye. So we're just going to do that. Just a little bit. Okay. So really this is like the perfect Valentine's Day look because I went with the pink partial cut crease. Okay. And I'm going to show you how to do it. It's not hard. And I didn't even use my crease piece, you guys. Okay. So the brush set that I used a lot. Hold on. I'm choking. The brush set that I use a lot is this ColourPop brush set. It's COLOUR Pop, ColourPop. It comes with a ton of these and it comes even in a bag and there's like a bunch of them. I have them like in here, the ones with the gold tops, like they're awesome, okay? So I'm going to use these from that set so that you kind of have an idea of kind of what kind of brushes you can use, right? So this is just a small crease brush. I created this look using the Farmasi Glam palette. I actually looked through all of my palettes and I love this one the most because it had the black, okay? And then it had the pink that I wanted and I could figure out another color for the transition blending part, okay? Don't be scared, you guys. Just go home and try this, okay? I watched a girl on TikTok do it and then I just did it, right? The video was not difficult. Okay, so black. And I want to push it. I'm not digging in it, but I'm getting that pigment on there, okay? And so what you're going to do is you're going to place this in your crease, okay? You can feel your crease because your eyeball stops there, your bone starts there. You can feel that area. It'll be different on everybody. If you have a real hooded eye, go above your crease and create your own crease, okay? I'm nervous, y'all. Okay, so I'm just going to pack this in to the crease. I'm going to come all the way in, just like this. Okay, I'm even going to put it in a little darker because we want a smoky eye, right? That's what she wanted the tutorial for. You can kind of do this with any colors you want. And then I bring it down. You guys, I didn't even use my business card trick. I did nothing. Okay. Yeah, it's scary. I know it's scary. Beauty is scary, right? So this doesn't have to be perfect. I maybe want it a little higher right there. So just a small brush in your crease. Doesn't have to be perfect. And then I took, and I'm actually going to clean it because I started with all clean brushes. We're just spraying a little cleaner on it and wiping it off so that it's as clean as possible without actually taking it to my tea tree bar of soap, okay? But now you can see that it's pretty good. Okay, and then we came in with the shade Buff. So the first one was Noir, and then this one is Buff. This is scary. Okay, right here. And then what I'm gonna do is just take this along this edge and just diffuse it a little bit. And you guys, you can see how this side is really diffused. So I took some time to really do that. And then I just swirled it around. And you're just gonna kind of take it not all the way up to your brow, but pretty high up, because you want this to be a really diffused, smoky look. Whew, my stomach hurts, y'all. Just even thinking about trying to do this, because I'm not a smoky eye person. But I don't believe that there's nothing that I can't learn. If you're getting it on the lid, it's okay. I'm going to show you how to fix that too. Okay, see how it's just diffusing out? But then you can see where it has that transition color. So I just keep coming in with that Buff a little bit. And then blend it out. Yeah, I'm nervous, y'all. I'm so nervous. But if I can do this, you guys, you can do this. If you're thinking like, you see this type of look on the internet and you're like, no way I could do that. You guys play with it and watch a tutorial or ask me and I will attempt to do it. So don't get in a rush here. Just keep on blending, okay? So you see how it's looking the same, right? Okay, so then I came in with my black and just kind of filled in this outside because I didn't go all the way over with my cut crease. Okay, this is the easiest peasiest way I know to do a cut crease. I am not a professional. Do not judge me, do not shame me, but it's just how I can do it, okay? I take a Q-tip in my micellar cleansing water. This is just a makeup remover, and then whenever I tip it out, the cap is kind of, it's not tight, but it kind of gets all the excess off because you don't want this dripping wet, right? Okay, so then you're going to remove the makeup, all the things, in the area that you want to put your color. And again, this doesn't even have to be super perfect, okay? And then I take the dry end and dry it off. You guys, that was not difficult. You can do that. Then throw that in the trash. Please do not reuse those. And then what I did was I took my full concealer with just a crease brush and put this on here. I need to get a new one of these. It's my favorite concealer because it's full coverage. So it's on there. And now here's where you're going to want to just place it on there and spread it out. Okay, so you see how that's on there now? That's going to create your base for whatever shadow you want to put here. You could put gold, you could put silver, you could put white, you could put whatever you want. I went with pink because, well, it's Valentine's Day and I probably should practice a look for tomorrow, right? And then now I'm going in with Reina right here. So it's not a super light color, but on top of that concealer, it looks real light, right? So I love how you can kind of change it up a little bit. Okay. And then I just took the crease brush that I had the black on to kind of, see how it just softened that right there? But I took it from the inside out. Okay, same brush, no more product. So this is this black that's kind of creating that smoky, but I didn't put any more out there, okay? I did take a little liner brush because I didn't do under eyeliner in that black that we've been using. And then I just pressed it real close to the lashes. Okay. And see how that just kind of smokies that whole look out. I don't really have, this palette does not have a lot of fallout, so it's not gonna get everywhere. Best tip ever. What was the best tip ever? I missed it. And then I just, you know, do whatever. And then I'm gonna put my pink color right there in that inside corner. Because really, I don't need a real bold highlight. You definitely can. You can go in here with a highlight, do all the things. I just wanted just a little bit of color just to kind of blend it all together. My stomach still hurts and I'm almost done, and it wasn't even difficult, y'all. Okay, my black waterproof liner. I'm going to put it on the bottom to really give that smoky effect. If you have real small eyes, go ahead and put the white in there still. Even with a smoky eye, it's not going to be a big deal. That step took me lots of work. Don't think that it's going to be easy. Yeah, concealer is, concealer on your lid just makes everything pop, everything awesome, all the things, okay? So then I'm going to do my liner that I got from Amazon. That's the adhesive for the lashes, because of course I have on the lashes today. I'm getting better at them. And then this liner is not super difficult. If you screw this up, take your Q-tip with your micellar water and just kind of fix the bottom with concealer in your colors, so you don't have to redo your whole eye. And of course you could practice on this at first. So I'm not great with ink liners, but these are not difficult. And this is the adhesive, so it's going to be the glue. The glue that holds my entire existence together. Maybe not that dramatic, but you know what I mean, right? And then I even did a wing with my lash glue. Because, well, why not? There's a whole lot of people that make this look a whole lot easier than me. So you should never judge experiences of products on me because I'm not like a makeup person. Okay, gonna do my mascara. Oh, ordered your set of lashes this morning. Which lashes did you get? I am obsessed with the Magnificent ones. They're my favorite because they have a really thin band. And they're really comfortable for me to wear all day long at work. Or the other ones are maybe date night, right? Oh, the entire set, of course, yes. You can get all the lashes in a set and then try them all and see which ones you like. So my lash glue is on there. And then I just take the lash off the little tray. I've worn these several times. Okay, and then I just kind of like to bendy Benderson because then it just kind of curls it a little bit. Okay, I'm a little nervous here. About right there. I kind of like to start in the middle and then take my little clippers. How many uses you're going to get is how well you take care of them. I'm thinking I'm going to get quite a few. I'm going to guess me, because I really do take care of them, is going to be 20 to 30. And most people don't wear lashes every day. I feel like I want to wear them every single day. And I just kind of squish them together with my other. I don't put mascara on mine, and I clean them and take them off. I put the video in my stories and in my Instagram highlights on how to remove the lashes with this micellar water, and it's super easy. Okay. Okay. Look, I'm getting better. Okay. So that's the Glam palette. Let me move my hair here. That's easy, right? Like, you could do that. Literally, it was putting on a color, diffusing it out with another color, doing the micellar water or whatever, however you use to get that makeup off. Put concealer on there so that it really brightens and bolds that color, and then just put a lighter color. So the colors that I used out of here were the black, the buff, and then the pink, the Reina. I only used those 3 colors on here. It was super easy, but I think that you could create a million smoky eye looks with this one palette. I love it, and the mirror is not janky, so I really love it. The packaging is incredible. This is like a feel thing, so if you are one of those like people that sensory items just throw you to death. They do me. I love this, okay? So you guys, super simple, right? You could do this. That palette is easy peasy. If you have any more requests for me, let me know. Y'all are pushing me outside my comfort zone, and that's okay, because I love that, but this was super scary. Okay, I love you guys, and I will see you guys later. Bye.